Okay, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make heart memes using GIMP. You could easily do this on Snapchat or just a very basic editing software. So you want to start off by just getting your picture, looking up hearts. You could easily just like Google heart meme templates, or like I said on Snapchat, you could easily just use the sticker thing they have. So I'm gonna add the hearts and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I added the hearts using Snapchat. You could use, you'd easily Google like heart meme template or just heart memes transparent, and then those little hearts should pop up. So usually for this meme people add blur to it. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that on GIMP. GIMP is free. You could easily go to Google, type in GIMP and it should be like the first thing to pop up. But I'm gonna show you how to do it on here. So what you want to do is right click, filters, blur, and if you see right here it says zoom motion blur. You could also do circular motion blur, but me personally, I think the zoom motion blur looks better, so I'm gonna show you. I think I'll probably show you both ways, but so right here, this box is gonna pop up over here. You could also drag and drop this. It really depends on what you're feeling. So like you want to put this like sort of like at the center over the face of whatever like picture you're using. So with this right here, it's gonna make the blur more like stronger, I guess. Like if I put it over here, it's like strong, but the more I get to like the middle, it gets like, I guess, like more better, I guess. I don't know. And yeah, it really depends like how blurry you want it. Okay, so how you do this is you right click, you go to filters, blur. There should be circular motion blur. You use this. So with this, you see these little arrows right here. You could like measure where you want the center to be and stuff. You could like make the blur stronger or softer. It really depends on how you want to do like the blur. But I'm gonna sort of like do it over there, over the little cat's face. See with the angle over here is like how much you want it sort of like blurred. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. I would appreciate it. If you guys need help with anything, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.